Here's number 18. He's a paso Macalon. Here's number 1. Papa. Tumaray. First one is good for Buffalo. Second one is good.
Bombi, baba na, Bombi!
Here's number 1.
Video lang. Lalabo kasi pag humihina yung data pag live.
Report lang ako dito sa
42-19 official score in favor of TG. Here's number 6, Bahati. To this number 12, 15 seconds to hit. Macalon high. 7 minutes exactly. Here's number 1, to Morales. 15 seconds to hit. To Papa. Extra pass to Pontero. There's a foul. Traveling violation. Same turn. There's number 18 Mateo. Keep out for Mateo. Close it up. 2 points for Mateo. Seconds to shoot. Morales. There's number 6. 5. Here's number 1, Papa. Little sit up, corner. Rebound by number 12. Portero. Open fire. Foul away the rebound. There's a foul on jersey number 15. Second personal foul. And a second team foul.
Sige, pahinga mo yung dito.
Second one is good for Montano. 45 to 25 official score in favor of Team TJ. Jersey number 1, Papa. 2 minutes, 15 seconds to hit. Back to Papa. Here's number 12, Kubahani. Kubahani foul. Out of bounds.
Ed, kunin mo na yan. Kunin mo na yan. Huwag mo nang pakawakin ng bola. Okay, kunin mo yan.
Here's number 1, Papa.
Lapitan mo na yan. Ed, huwag mo iwan. In favor of Team TJ. Baba lang.
Here's the 13. There. Total the goal. There's the ball. Dribble by Kyle. The 10. Here's the 17. Here's number 22. 15 seconds to go. Barcelona open. Here's the number 23. Clemente has the ball. Is he going to find Clemente? Here's number 25. Here's number 4. Here's number 13. Inside pass. Going foul. Still by Allen. To Papa. To the number 17. Inside pass to Papa. Here's number 21, Mosquita. 2 minutes to play. Inside pass, 10 seconds to shoot. To 10. Bob, close it up to back for the win. Jersey number 13, Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot. Putting on fire. 3. Jersey number 21, Alpina. 15 seconds to shoot. Inside pass. There's a foul. Jersey number.
Charger ba dyan? Charger.
Wala. Ay, no. Ayan na, kunin mo yan.
Second personal foul. Alpina.
Kayo na ba to?
Okay, saksak mo. Kuha. Palagi mo na lang si, si Rep.
Wah, tingnan mo nga. Cellphone.
Oh, yan, hindi ka na tingnan.
Gago.
Sige, saksak mo. Eh, wala silang video pagka...
Second high, third floor, Jersey number 10. 1 minute and 25 seconds time remaining. Jersey number 20 Clemente. 15 seconds to shoot. Sit high, Jersey number 10 to Alpina. Hits it off. 4-2 by Alpina. Jersey number 13. There's 15-second bomb shot clock. Back to jersey number 13. Showing the behind. Out of bounds. White ball. Jersey number 21. King down to 5.
Tira!
Inside pass between Gianfranco Gil, Público. Gianfranco Gil, there's a foul on jersey number 7, Second personal foul and a warning for a penalty.
Boy, balik mo, boy! Makakita ka ng history!
King down the tank. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey down. That's the count. But there's a foul on jersey number.
Elon!
Taking foul on jersey number 4.
Counted!
Third personal foul for Elon. 28 seconds to play.
Depensa! Harap lang! Asat!
Foul on jersey number 13. Third personal foul on jersey number 13. And a penalty.
Point 1 lang ba yan?
One ata yan, Konsi.
The ladies get down to 11.